Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a patch management process with Tenable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Tenable platform account. Navigate to the Solutions tab in the main menu. Select Patch Management from the drop-down options. Click on Create New Process to initiate your patch management workflow. Enter a descriptive name for your patch management process. Define the purpose and objectives of the process. Select the assets or systems that will be included in the patch management process. Determine the patch categories you want to prioritize, such as security updates or feature enhancements. Set the schedule for regular patch scanning and deployment. Configure notification settings to keep stakeholders informed on patch status. Establish approval workflows for manual patch deployments if necessary. Review and adjust automation settings to streamline the process. Ensure you have the necessary compliance requirements in place for your industry. Once everything is configured, save your patch management process. Run a test scan to validate your settings and ensure proper functionality. Observe the results and make any necessary adjustments to improve effectiveness. Finally, document your patch management process for future reference and compliance audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.